Nervous system. The human nervous system consists of brain, spinal cord, and the nerves. The nervous system controls all systems of the body. All our actions and body functions are also controlled by the nervous system. A. Brain. The brain is the most delicate organ of our body. It is protected by the skull from outside. The space between the skull and the brain is filled with cerebrospinal fluid. This liquid acts like a shock absorber and protects the brain from shocks and jerks. A normal human brain weighs about 1.5 kg. The brain is divided into three parts: cerebrum, cerebellum, medulla. Cerebrum. Cerebrum is the largest part of the brain. It is made of grooves and ridges. It is dome-shaped and has two hemispheres, right and left hemispheres. The working of sense organs, ears, eyes, nose, tongue, and skin are controlled by the brain. It is responsible for our thinking, storage, intelligence, and memory. It controls our learning, remembering, and recalling capabilities also. Cerebellum. The cerebellum is a small part of the brain situated just below cerebrum. It coordinates the action of muscles to make them work together. It is also responsible for maintaining body balance while walking, running, or sitting upright. Medulla. A bulb-like structure lies just below the cerebellum. It connects the brain to the spinal cord. Involuntary actions such as the heartbeat and breathing are controlled by medulla. The medulla remains active even while a person is resting or sleeping. The brain needs a continuous flow of blood and oxygen to remain active. If brain does not rest, it builds up toxic substances. Sleep removes the toxic substances from the body. In case the brain does not receive blood and oxygen for some time, it becomes dead. B. Spinal cord. The long cord-like structure extends from the medulla and continues to form the spinal cord. The spinal cord passes through the hole present in the bones of the vertebral column. From each bone of the vertebral column, the spine gives out nerves. Nerves run throughout the body to pick up impulses. C. Nerves. Nerves are bundle of fibers that transmit impulses. They carry information or messages from the brain to other body parts and vice versa. The nerves of the head and the neck join directly to the brain. Nerves are connected to spinal cord. They send messages to different parts of the body and collect messages from sense organs and pass them to the spinal cord. Nerves are made of nerve cells, also called neurons. Neurons transmit messages from one neuron cell to another. There are three types of nerves: sensory nerves, motor nerves, mixed nerves. Sensory nerves that pass the message from sense organs to the brain or spinal cord. Motor nerves pass the message from brain or spinal cord to muscle or glands. Mixed nerves that carry both sensory and motor nerves. The brain receives and sends messages to different parts of the body. Our sense organ receives information from a message from our surroundings and passes it to the spinal cord and brain. On receiving the message, it sends instructions to the sense organ to react. In reflex actions, the brain is not involved. The spinal cord controls them. The actions are quick and automatic.